Good afternoon. Welcome to Citadel Watch. The Omega Poseidon wristwatch in front of you is a magnificent piece of Swiss brand Omega. They are distinguished by the exquisite style and high-quality workmanship. The case of the Omega Poseidon watch is made of decorated stainless steel, which gives it durability and elegance. The case size is 45 mm, making it a striking accent on the wrist. The dial of the watch is made of cast sterling silver and is in good condition. The dial features markers and the indexes are marked with natural sapphire, adding sparkle and luxury to this model. There is a 1.3 mm diameter diamond in the head of the hands, which adds an element of luxury and elegance to the watch. The Omega Poseidon is equipped with a mechanical movement that works with high precision and reliability. This original movement has been serviced to guarantee its flawless operation. The strap is made of alligator leather, creating a superior look and comfortable feel on the wrist. It has been made in an atelier where attention is paid to every detail to achieve the highest quality. The Omega Poseidon watch is free of damage and ready to become a reliable and elegant accessory for its new wearer. This model is perfect for men who appreciate luxury, precision, and classic Swiss watch design. Have a good shopping experience and have a great day.